afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here with me today. My name is Daisy Love, and for today, I am going to be your instructor for the particular workshop, Outstanding Resume Writing. People are not only specifically recruiting based on achievement, they are recruiting based on passion, based on talent. They are looking at that particular candidate that's going to be the wow factor into their companies. That's what you have to remember. People are looking for candidates that are going to give them the wow factor. I want that candidate. You are standing out from the competition. So, in order to stand out, because all of us, we have great achievement that we can talk about, but what is your passion? What is the talents that you have? Right? A professional resume showcases your objective, your work history, the successful result that you've had within your company, your studies, your certification, awards, the language spoken and written, and some extracurricular activity. That is a professional. Anything that we do that is extracurricular, we want to make sure that we are receiving our certificate, right? Everybody wants to feel cherished. Everybody wants to know that they are receiving certificate. The youth agency always gives out certificate. A certificate makes you feel that you've accomplished and you've achieved. So you always want to make sure that if you are participating in those extracurricular activities and other things that you are receiving a certificate, and please list a few of those certificates inside your professional resume.